back at IA here, and we're just gonna check out random cars just down this line. There's just random cars
in and out of the lines, but we just want to go through the lines just to show you guys just what they have. There's a big selection here, nice cars. I mean, they're all nice, but everybody has their own taste and budgets and how much they want to spend and what they want to drive. So we're just gonna kind of go just down the line, try to hit every car down one of these lanes and just show you guys what's available. And we're gonna just kind of go through it quickly. And our first victim is 2006 Chrysler Sebring. So at one point this was a really nice car, convertible, bumpers loose, rear bumpers loose, and yeah, this is what they got.
And any of these cars that you want, we're gonna show the stock numbers for them. Yeah, you guys could go check it out on iai.com. So real quick, let's take a look at this one, the Sebring. That's the stock number right there. Go check it out.
2016 Mercedes, got some front end damage, 54,000 miles. It's an E-Series. It's a E350 Matic, and yeah, it's pretty nice looking car. The rest of the body, other than the front, is looking pretty nice. Take a quick look inside. No airbags deployed. Super nice car. So let's keep going. They got way more, lots and lots of cars.
What is this, a Forester? Let's do this Forester.
The Forester. We got ourselves a 1998 Subaru Forester. Here in Washington, these are great cars. People love them. Leather seats. Driver's seat's a little torn up. Let's see what we got for damages. Got a little bit of rear end. So it's gonna need a tailgate, a deck lid, bumper. You can probably just get the parts at Pull and Save. Get them dirt cheap.
I'm not sure if everybody know what Pull and Save is.
Pull and Save.
In our area,
here in America, or in our area, Pull and Save is like, you go there, you find a car you like, you bring your own tools, you take them off, purchase them, take them home, and slap them on your cars. So it's like a junkyard at your own. You got to pull your own parts off. So let's go. Let's see what we got. So we got a Hyundai with not sure what year it is. Got some rear end damage. Definitely gonna need some work. Interior in pretty good shape. So yeah, another Chrysler, 2000 Chrysler. Probably not worth fixing.
2014 Jetta, Volkswagen.
Jetta. What else we got? A Mitsubishi
Outlander.
Ford Fiesta 2011, runs and drive, undercarriage damage, and yeah, so from the top it looks fine. Windshield's cracked. Interior's pretty clean, stinks a little bit. It's a hatchback.
Probably some kind of suspension damage, huh?
Right here.
Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper. That's it. What a hit.
What does it smell like? Deer or tree?
A deer tree. Not sure what it hit, but hood's damaged, fender's damaged, ripped the mirror off. The door seems fine. Couple scuffs, might have a dent right here. This molding, fixable. 73,000 miles, 2012 Mini Cooper.
We forgot to show you on some other cars the stock number. But you guys could go on Spokane, Washington location and maybe find them.
So, interior's clean. Got a funky little cluster thing in the middle.
You never seen that?
That's interesting. No, I've seen it, but it's weird.
Yeah, but that's like a digital one. Usually they're...
That's weird, dude. It has like no trunk with these seats. There are some Cheerios on the floor, so if you're into Cheerios, maybe they can come with the car. No guarantees. Got a dent right here, as you can see. Damage here. Mini Cooper S. It's got the fancy
Carbon fiber. Look at this.
carbon fiber wrap.
You said there was no trunk space. Look at this.
Look at this. You can put a whole bunch of nothing in here. Big old sunroof. Let's keep going. Oh, we got another cop car. We're not going to show you too much detail, but
the cop car we seen earlier, that was from a different video. That's on a different video.
Yep. So if you guys like cop cars, go check out. We have other videos with cop cars.
Oh yeah, this is a county sheriff.
2010.
Hey, I could try sitting in the back.
Go, hop in. Sir,
Yo.
you have the right to remain silent.
Hey.
Anything you say will and can be used against you in the court of law.
I need my lawyer.
You need no lawyers.
I need my lawyer.
No lawyers.
Hey, this brings back memories. I'm just kidding.
Dude, that looks so rough.
Yeah, but I'm
Holy.
6'1", and that is pretty rough. If you're a criminal and you're tall, I feel bad for you, son.
So,
Oh, the cluster's ripped out.
pretty cool little car. They might take certain electronics out of here probably because of the cop car. Cones. Let's see. Do we got anything?
No.
No lights.
No
Oh
lights.
man.
Hey,
So-
they do have a car wash sticker though.
Car wash. Mister. It's
Hey,
been
but
clean.
Just in case somebody's interested, let's show them. This is a 2010. It says in up, but at the same time it says run and drive.
Run and driving up. Let's see what
Well,
we
not
got.
sure. That's the stock number right there.
So check it out, guys. If you want a cop car, park it out in front of your house. Just people stop speeding. There you go.
Probably could get a good price on it.
Let's go. Let's keep
Don't-
going.
Don't pop it. There's another Mini
Just to
Cooper.
kind of show you guys. I mean, there's cars for days here. Maybe one of these days we'll get a drone out just so you guys have a picture of how many cars are out here. There's a fancy looking BMW in the back there.
Where?
Maybe we should go check it out.
Yeah,
Let's
we
go
can.
check it out.
This is a 2016 BMW. It looks like a 3 Series probably. Oh no, 5 Series.
5 Series.
Front end damage.
Hit something for sure.
For sure.
For sure. For sure hit something. Dude, brand new tires. They just put the tires on.
Look at those all seasons.
Maybe they put them on backwards. So let's go.
Oh dude, you can't miss that. Look at that.
Ooh.
Tinted tail lights.
Tinted or painted. Yeah, they look like they're tinted. Looks like
you
film.
can see the film. Yeah, they're definitely tinted.
Fancy. Black wheels.
Right,
So it's all-wheel drive. Airbags deployed. Knee airbag, wheel airbag, roof airbag. Interior smells good though. And you'll get a toothpick. Sunroof. Roof looks clean. That's a clean looking car. Let's see. So there's the stock number. Let's see what else. Couple more. What do we got? We got 10:06. We got a 2018 Nissan Armada. So check out the damage. Passenger side door. Keep going here. scuffed down the side. Platinum. So this must be top of the line. Nice of the nice. V8. Let's go check out. Let's see what we got. Nice interior. Leather again. Seems like all cars nowadays got leather. Blew a side airbag. Airbag in the seats blown. Headliner. It's gonna need a replace. So, yeah, this super clean car. 26,000 miles. Tires look nice on it. Overall, let's see what we got. Good amount of tread left on the tires. So, hope you guys like these videos. This was just a quick walk around of the cars they got. Here's a Honda Accord. Might as well just put it in. Honda Accord with 2017, 45,000 miles. Hitting the front. Got a little boo-boo.
Run and drive.
Run and drive. Nice silver. Silver cars are always good looking. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice interior. That looks nice. Like leather with cloth. The bumper is in here though. Blown airbag. Like wannabe carbon fiber. Fancy, fancy. Looks like someone spilt something or probably spilt their coffee while wrecking. So, let's check out the rest of this thing. This is a Honda Accord Sport. And I think this is gonna wrap up this video, guys. So let's get you the stock number just in case you guys are interested in this car. Boom. Go check it out. And that's that. Hope you guys like these kind of videos. We're wrapping this one up. Another day here at IAA. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.